Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Wonderfully Made. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Well, you can tell from the title that this video is for all of my Louis Vuitton luxury lovers out there, because I have an unboxing. If you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, then you know I tend to buy myself a couple of luxury items a year. I'm not one of those people who have to have everything luxury brand. Okay, no, that is not my life. And as a matter of fact, I do have a channel update video that's going to be posted on Sunday, where I'm going to talk a little bit more about what direction my channel is going to go in. I'm still going to, of course, post videos about makeup, but I'm definitely going to be spending less money on makeup. And if I'm going to splurge, then I might as well splurge on something to where I could at least potentially get a return on my investment. You know, at the end of the day, if I run into a bind and I need to start selling some stuff to get some money, I can sell these luxury items, but makeup, not so much. You know, prayerfully I won't ever need to do that, but I'm just saying. If you've stumbled upon my channel for the first time, then again, welcome. I like to post the kind of videos that I like to watch. And I love to watch videos about makeup, luxury items, sewing, cooking, Christian videos, planning, you name it. I love watching YouTube videos. So anything that brings me joy, you may see a video about it on my channel. Now let me say that the reason why I like posting videos about luxury items is because, you know, most of us don't have money to just blow on, you know, luxury handbags and small leather goods and that kind of thing. And I personally rely on reviews and YouTube and Instagram posts about luxury items. And nowadays I pretty much do a little bit of research on anything that I'm going to buy, especially if it's a large purchase. So I think these videos are helpful for people out there who are wondering if they should invest their money in a particular item. It's also, you know, a little bit of eye candy for people who just love Louis Vuitton products. Okay. So you already know from the title that this is from Louis Vuitton, and this is the box it comes in. Inside the box, we have the envelope with the receipt in it. You know, Louis Vuitton is so fancy when it comes to their receipts. And this is what I ordered. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. But I especially wanted to post this video about this particular item because this item is being sold on the pre-loved market for twice the amount you would pay for it new. Okay, and so it is available as of today, February 13th. Let's just get to it. So this is the box it came in, and of course standard Louis Vuitton packaging. I'm just going to take the ribbon off. Sometimes I don't even untie the ribbon, I just pull it off so that I can put it back on the box. But here lately I've just been storing my boxes in my closet on the shelf. So this is the little gift card. If you are giving this to someone as a gift, there is a little card in there where you can write a note. And so, yeah. And here's what it looks like in the box. And okay, what do I have here? Looks like I might have a couple of samples here. In this little Louis Vuitton pouch. This is basically the little key pouch. 2 perfumes, okay. Love that. And this is my item. Comes in a dust bag, of course. Now, I don't even use the dust bags. Again, all of my dust bags are stored. I keep all of my handbags in a glass shelving unit. Maybe I'll post a picture somewhere on the screen, but take it out of the It almost has a chemical smell, but anyway, here it is, guys. This is the Louis Vuitton Pochette Kirigami set. Oh my goodness. Here it is. And if you don't know, this little set comes with 3 pochette pouches. They fit inside each other. This is the larger of the 3. And it has the rose ballerine interior. And then, of course, inside is the second pochette. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so pretty. This one has the red interior. Love that. And then this is the little mini pouch. And it has the burgundy interior. And it has like the little authentication card and all of that in there. But yeah, so this one is the smaller of the 3. Like I said, I will likely use this one for coins. If not, I'll probably just use it for a few miscellaneous items depending on the day and the need. You know, you can put like hair ties in here, hairpins, bobby pins. You can definitely fit business cards in here, your ID. So it is a very functional piece. Love this one. This one, of course, is also a very multifunctional piece of canvas. You can use this as a wallet and put your, money and ID. You can definitely fit a small phone in here. And I bought the Kirigami set for miscellaneous stuff. One of the things that I know I'm probably going to use this for is for sanitary napkins. Okay, a very classy and discreet way to carry your personal hygiene items, so sanitary napkins, tampons. You can definitely fit a few makeup items in here. I'm at work, so I don't have anything handy. I'll post another video if you guys want to see what fits in each one of these pouches. Let me know and I'll do that. And then finally, you have the larger of the 3 pouches. And this one, again, multi-purpose piece. You can use this as a clutch just for a night out. You can use this to put your iPad in. You can use this for so many different items. Again, I am at my office, so I can't really pull out a whole bunch of things to show you guys what fit in each of these pouches. But comment below if you want to see that video. And you know what? I'll just commit to filming that video. The main reason I wanted to pull out this camera and film this right now is to show you guys that this is still available. I think I saw this one large pouch being sold for $800. Now for all 3 pieces, brand new on Louis Vuitton's website, you can purchase all 3 of these for $660. I think I saw this medium-sized pouch going for about between $450 and $600. And so yeah, I wanted to get on here real quickly while it is still available on the Louis Vuitton website, so that if anybody is interested in it, log on to Louis Vuitton's site right now, girl, and get your life, okay? Anyway, guys, I'm obsessed with this. I absolutely love it. I have been stalking the Louis Vuitton website forever. Okay, so when I saw that it popped up available, which let me say, I've seen it pop up as add to your cart quite a few times before I actually ordered it. And the last time it was available, I waited a day or so to decide if I really wanted to get it, and then it was unavailable. So when I saw it this time, I was like, I'm absolutely purchasing it. I actually ordered this a few days ago, and it is still available. So yeah, guys, get it if you're interested. Anyway, thanks again for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, remember that you're fearfully and wonderfully made by God, and He loves you. And I'll see you in the next video.